From its lowest cases this year, just 9 days ago, India tonight has the highest number of COVID cases it has seen in 2 months, as the R factor or reproduction factor rises above the critical level of 1. Active cases have jumped by 5,400. That's also the sharpest rise we've seen in 4 months. Take a look at this, and that image really is self-explanatory. From 5,326 cases on the 21st of December, which was also the lowest this year, just 9 days later, 13,154 cases. Look at this steep rise. While flagging this sudden rise in COVID cases across 14 cities, the centre has written to states urging them to take immediate measures to check the surge. Cases of the highly infectious Omicron are also increasing rapidly in and around big cities. The centre's advice was take steps now to avoid increased mortality. The idea of taking Delhi's graded response action plan model across the country is also being considered, according to sources. In Delhi, the state's health minister talked about the rise in Omicron cases among the share of total COVID cases.
Police removing angry protesters blocking a South Delhi road. Angry at not enough buses being deployed after seating was limited to 50% because of the surge in COVID cases.
1 घंटा कभी तो 2-2 घंटे 17 बंदों से ज़्यादा ये बिठा ही नहीं रहे। देखिए कैसे भागा दौड़ी हो रही है, चोट भी लगती है और चोरी का भी डर होता है।
आज भी मैं सुबह 11 बजे ऑफिस पहुंचा हूँ, 2 घंटे वेट करने के बाद मेरे आगे 14 बसें गई, 604 की, पर किसी ने चढ़ाया नहीं। वो भी क्या करें, ऑर्डर में। तो ये परेशानी हमारे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है सर।
हाँ, तो भीड़ तो हो रही है, तो भीड़ होगी ही ना। कहाँ जाएंगे? बस है और मेट्रो है, मेट्रो में इतनी लाइन होती है।
But it's not just Delhi. Across the country, positivity rates and cases have shot up this week. Kolkata's positivity rate is very high at 12.5%. All this has prompted the centre to write to states today asking to take proactive and immediate action. They have also asked the states to take steps now to avoid increased mortality. While Omicron cases have risen by 23% since yesterday, COVID cases have jumped faster by 43%.
This push is a part of the global upsurge, which is related to Omicron severity. Hopefully mild, but cannot be taken for granted. There is no need to panic, because as a nation we are prepared.
कोरोना के अंदर 46 ओमिक्रॉन के 46%।
वो अब कम्युनिटी दिल्ली में कम से कम कम्युनिटी के अंदर है।
बिल्कुल जा रहा है, धीरे धीरे जा रहा है, कम्युनिटी के अंदर भी जा रहा है।
For now, there are no new curbs, but authorities in Delhi and other cities are tracking cases and data very closely. The common message is, don't panic, we are prepared this time. But everybody must be responsible, wear masks, be socially distanced, and those eligible must be fully vaccinated.
As the number of Omicron cases rise across the country, healthcare experts warn that any lapse in following COVID-appropriate behavior can result in another devastating wave of COVID-19. And while the central government is writing to the states advising stricter restrictions, only its implementation on the ground can yield desirable results. With camera person Pujaria, Makshi Dongre for NDTV.